Lucid Trading is back at it again. If you scroll down there and look at their accounts, they've made a major change. Now, recently, traders have been loving the Lucid daily account where you can select EOD accounts, intraday accounts, daily loss limit, or no daily loss limit. Well, now Lucid has also made changes to the Pro and the Flex accounts. So now we come over and look at Lucid Trading real quick, and we look at the two different accounts, Lucid Pro and the Lucid Flex accounts. One thing that we'll now notice is whenever you look at the daily loss limit, we can pick an account with a daily loss limit, or maybe you do not want a daily loss limit. Just 2 days ago in one of my other prop accounts, I hit the daily loss limit. The accounts that did not have a daily loss limit, I ended up blowing those accounts. So let me know in the comment section down below. Do you guys prefer to have a daily loss limit so you don't blow the account in 1 day? Or would you rather have no daily loss limit? Now, unfortunately, from this page, we cannot see what the price change is going to be. You need to go ahead and log into the back end. And right here, we can actually see in the Lucid Pro account, the 50K account, I'm going to go ahead and look at since that is the most popular account size with a daily loss limit turned on. We can now get that account for $115. Without a daily loss limit, we can get that account for $140. Now, keep in mind, one of the big attractions to the Pro account is the fact that we have the ability to pass this account in 1 single day. It doesn't mean you have to try to go ahead and pass it in 1 day, but you have that ability to do so. Now we look at the Lucid Flex account. We have a daily loss limit. This account will cost you $90.20 at the time of recording this video. And again, don't forget to use code Mike. Now, if you do not want the daily loss limit, the price will go up a little bit to $105. However, are there any other rules that have actually changed? Before that, let's go over to the FAQ real quick. And since I'm currently trading the Lucid Flex accounts, I'm going to go ahead and venture in and look at the Flex accounts first. We look at the evaluation. Does anything look different on this page? Well, I know that's not going to be the case because the last time it was updated was April 15th. However, if you look right here at the very, very tippy top, Lucid Flex customizations, we go ahead and look at this. Lucid Flex gives traders the ability to customize their account at the time of purchase. One setting can be adjusted to create the trading experience that best fits your risk parameters. The customization option is daily loss limit on or off, which we just talked about. Now, with the daily loss limit turned on, a daily loss limit is enforced on both evaluation and once you're in the funded accounts. It says that when you have the daily loss limit turned on, traders will actually end up purchasing less evaluations because you know what? You're not going to be able to blow that account up in 1 single day. Now, when you turn the daily loss limit off, this applies during either the evaluation or the funded stage. So if you're a trader that hates the daily loss limit, there's no need to worry. Pick for no daily loss limit. It will transfer once you're in the funded account. So what does this actually mean? We kind of alluded to this a minute ago, but option 1, daily loss limit turned on. It's going to be enabled for the evaluation and funded account. It's going to be the cheapest version of the Flex account. If you want no daily loss limit, well, we won't have a daily loss limit in either the funded or the evaluation, but we are going to have to pick a slightly higher price. And let me know in the comment section down below, are you willing to pay a slightly higher price for no daily loss limit? Now, let's go at the thing that traders care about the most. Has anything changed in the payouts? We can see it was updated a little bit more than a week ago. We have a 90-10 profit split. Traders get to keep 90%. Lucid will keep 10%. We look at the Flex account. We still have the same payout parameters. 50K account, you have to have 5 winning days where the trader makes a minimum of $150. And keep in mind, there is a minimum payout request of $500. So if you have the ability to take a payout, but it's going to be less than $500, well, you're not going to be eligible for the payout. You got to make a little bit more money in that account. We can still take 50% of the total profit up to $2,000. Doesn't mean you have to take $2,000. That is the maximum that is available in this account. So if we go over to Lucid Pro and we look at Lucid Pro customization, again, this is going to be exactly what we just saw in the Flex account. Now, if you want to compare prop firms or prop firm challenges, don't forget to go to propfirmmike.com and don't forget to use code Mike at checkout. And let me know in the comment section down below, which account are you going to get started with? The Lucid Pro, the Lucid Flex, or are you really liking the Lucid Daily account? And if you need help setting up Lucid Trading so you can trade it on the TradingView platform, make sure to watch this next video right here.